5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey there, today in this video we will learn about electric flux. First, let's know some points about electric field. A region around a charged particle within which a force would be exerted on other charge is called electric field. We should also remember a field line is a graphical visual aid for visualizing vector field. It consists of direct lines which is tangent to the field vector at each point along the length. Up till now, we said that area is an scalar quantity, but when we talk of electric flux and Gauss law, we take it as a vector quantity. This is because as we change the angle of the surface area of the number of lines of force change significantly. Area vector in Q. Here the area vector points downward. Along other four sides, the direction of the area vector is perpendicular to the direction of electric field. Now, the area vector in cylinder. The cylinder is oriented along z-axis and has inward point normal vector. Clearly, the flux is negatively since the vector field points away from the z-axis and the surface is oriented toward z-axis. Now we will talk about flux. Electric flux is the rate of flow of electric field through a given surface. It is the amount of electric field penetrating a surface and the surface can be open or closed. Let's take an example of open surface. Here green lines are uniform electric field where we have placed an rectangle as our open surface and we will divide it into a small element size dA. Now we are making the area dA as a vector with the magnitude dA vector. The electric flux which passed through the area dA, also called differential of flux, is defined as dot product of magnitude of electric field E and magnitude of vector area dA times the angle between these two is theta. Now we will look on some cases of electronic flux in theta where theta is 0, 90 and 60 degree respectively. In the first case we can see that we have the value of theta 0, that gives cos theta equal to 1, which means we are having the maximum flux at 0 degree. In the second case we can see we have the value of theta 60 degree. This gives us EdA upon 2, as the value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. And on the third case, as theta is 90 degree, we will have the minimum value of electric flux, which is 0. Now we will talk about some closed surfaces. Normal to the closed surface always points to be inside to the outside. Now we will calculate the total flux. Total flux is equal to integral. The total flux is equal to the integral of d phi, and the flux can be positive, negative or 0. If the same amount of flux is entering and exiting the surface, then the flux can be 0. So now to end the video, I will like to tell you some important point that you should know. If flux is going to inside to outside, it is positive flux. If flux is going outside to inside, it is negative flux. Unit of flux is Newton meter square per coulomb. So, I would like to take a leave. Peace.